Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving LeetCode 27 remove element. The problem statement gives us an integer array, nums, and a single integer val. What we have to do is remove all the occurrences of val and nums and return the size of updated array as an output. Let's take an example and understand what this problem statement really is. Here we have nums array. Elements are 3, 2, 2, and 3. One single integer file equal to 3. We have to remove 3 from this nums array and return the size of updated array as an output. Let's take a look at the brute force approach and how we'll solve this problem. In the approach, we created a temporary array to store the output. Like we traverse through the nums array and we check every single element in the val. We check it's equal to the val, we simply move ahead. We check it's not equal to val, we simply put back that into the temporary array. Again, we check not equal to, we put back. We check it's equal to, we simply move ahead and the reversing ends. What's the problem with this array? The problem is like we are creating an extra array to store the output. But we have to do it in the nums array. Like we have to change position in the nums array itself. It's not to create any extra array to solve the problem. Let's take a look at the brute force approach code. We created a temporary array. Traverse through the nums element. Check current element not equal to val. We simply push back that element into query array. And again a for loop traversing into the temporary array. And we simply copy all the temporary array element into the nums array. And then we return the size of temporary array as the output. Because we are asked to return the size of the updated array. It's not optimal, so take a look at the let's take a look at the optimal approach 2.0. In 2.0 approach, what we will do is like we create a 2 pointer I and j. One will be stationary pointer, there will be the moving pointer. Like j will move and move and move. I will stay until certain criteria. Like let's take a look. I equal to 0, j equal to 0. Element equal to 3 is matching with the value. So j will move ahead and j equal to 1. J equal to 1. I stay same 0. We check element 2 not equal to 1. So we simply assign this value into the this position and move our I ahead to 1. We simply move our j again. Check it's not equal to L. Move our assign this value to this position and simply move our I ahead. Now I equal to t. Simply we check equal to simply we check ahead equal to the file element. We do nothing. We simply move ahead. And what we have to give the final output. We have to return the size of element, which is like 2. Like our first element, second element. Updated array will be look like this. Yes. So our updated answer will be 2, like size of this element. Let's take a look at this code. We assign our stationary pointer 0, moving pointer, moving through the array, checking val not equal to current is moving element. It's not equal to when simply we assign the element of moving pointer to the position of the stationary pointer. And we simply then move our stationary one step ahead. At the end, we will return the current index of the I as the answer. Let's run our code in the LeetCode environment. So I already have written the code. Let's run this code first. It's running on all the cases. You can see like now let's submit it. Waiting 100%. Thank you for the watching. See you in the next video.